course, back in the range, we're still bullish. So pretty much this supply and demand, this discount and what is that doing? Oh, that already got tapped. Didn't it? Yeah, it did. How clean. 4-hour order blocks ripping once again. Once again. Anyways, bullish on the 4-hour, and because of this bullshit we're in, the supply premium and discount, no use to us right now. Anyways, 4-hour, there's nothing. 1 hour, coming to session open, we had order block below. As you can see, hourly order block. Yeah, we're too far from that, we ain't getting tapped. Hourly order block, not getting tapped. Okay, so that's the hourly, get that out of here. 30-minute, wasn't really anything at all. There was nothing. Oh, wait, what did I just change? Then coming into session, we had this single 15-minute order block. Both of them. ES was not amazing. The displacement is not good. Here, little order block, little imbalance. Little imbalance, little fair value gap. Here, nothing. And the doji, pretty ass as well. I'm gonna be real. But that's all there was. And if you scale down, it's also kind of a 5-minute. But also, the thing is, I didn't even see this shit. There's a perfect bearish order block right here. And we do, okay, so we come into session, we get a bearish change of character, right? Only on NASDAQ, not on ES. But, to be fair, I was like, this is not, this, it is a change of character bearish because it is bearish here, but like, it feels like it's just a tap of this and a move higher, which it doesn't end up tapping, but as you can see, it's pushing off higher. Like, yeah, I would say that was a fake out in the moment. And because ES didn't get it, because ES did not create a low here, did not see this one create the low below this, so that's why this did not. And then anyways, ES taps the order block here, and then as you can see, it runs well. Easy as that. But would have had some scaling down, stops. Probably stops would have been at some bullshit like just below this little fair value gap, so a tick below maybe. But that's a bit, that's fucking tight. Probably just down here. Then it runs nicely. ES this would not slide just because NASDAQ this would not slide just because we didn't get the tap in. It comes to the fair value gap nicely, but not even the halfway of it, so meh. And then if we wanted to use the bearish change of character here, there's that really clean order block above with the beautiful doji, beautiful displacement. It's pretty sex. And actually it kind of got tapped recently on ES. But when it does get tapped, why is that one? Oh, they're both falling. Their prices are very diverged. Big time diverged, right? Which isn't bad, but let's see. If you use the change of character bearish, order block here, get in off the short there, where would we be targeting? Would probably be targeting this internal low, or there might be a 1 minute fair value gap here. actually probably wouldn't be targeting this internal low because I know we're on a very bullish move. Premium, even though we're in it, doesn't really matter just because of how bullish we are. And let me see. Stops would have just been, wait, or this high. If you want to get real cheeky, you do this high. But, yeah, probably some shit like that. The 1 minute, oh, that's ass. Probably would have been some shit like, I wish I could say I put it there at the bottom of the bullish, but it probably would have been down here. and then, oh fuck, it doesn't even, yeah, it might be a break even or, but low key, as soon as this bullish candle's formed, stops are coming down to here. Like, yeah. So at least I'm getting something. A 1 to 1.3. It's better than a nothing. This is true. But yeah, could have done that. Probably was. It's not the more logical move, it's the more textbook move with the strat. I mean, sorry. Yes. Even though we're not aligned with the 4 hour, it's fucking risk because of that. But because we just broke bearish on the 15, we will get a little reaction from the order block, especially one that fucking clean being tapped. So there's that. But we're also in a bullish trend, so obviously this long here was the best. As you can see, if you had big balls and you held that shit up to, you know, halfway the imbalance here, it is a longer position, but it's much better, like fucking much better. 2.5 hours. But logically, it's the one that will occur. Bullish on the 4, the 15 did not break bearish, and we just got a decent little order block. Nothing crazy, decent little order block. We also picked up a lot of liquidity from all the accumulation through here. So yeah, not bad. Alright, that's that.